Hey, what's up, everyone? Off work. I am very upset. My car, there's a cleaning company that comes to work and they clean our trucks. They do an amazing job. We'll say that. When they clean our work trucks, it looks like a brand new truck. But if you park if they're washing a truck next to your parking spot, all their chemicals get on your car. And because we have all the gas, diesel, and oil and all these road tar that's on the truck, they have to use strong chemicals to clean it out. And so all that gets on your car. So I had my car detailed with I'll post his Instagram, the Gloss Factory. Had him detail my car, did an amazing job. And now my car, the windows are stained. Once I get to the house, I'll have to show you guys. The windows are stained. The lips on the wheels are jacked up. And like I said, these wheels are not cheap. These are discontinued wheels, so the value of them just goes right up. And now I have to try to polish it, and like sucks because I gotta take each wheel off, polish it, and then like it takes a hell of a time. It's like an hour and a half for me to polish one wheel. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna try to see if it will come off, and when I get to the house, I'll show you guys exactly how bad this is. Here's the lips. Look at that. It is super stained. It's on the face too. Even when I wipe it off, you see the stains. I gotta polish everything. All over the paint. The windows are gray. Very thick white chalky stuff they use. You can see just how dirty everything is. How it just drips. And it's on all my wheels. On the whole car. I mean, what the hell are they using? It's on the roof. On all the glass. The glass is stained. I gotta really push hard to get those out now. On this side too. It's the whole car. Look at the lips. Fuck. All over the face. Ate the wrap for the chrome delete. Like that one starting to come up. It's all on here. It eats this. See? It's stained on there. All over the lips. On the face and lips on all four tires. Or wheels. Windshield is just as bad. Side mirror has the stains. It's all just. I gotta scrub everything. There we go. Dirty. And one of the main things a lot of people say is like, well, why do you drive that every day? Because I work hella hard for what I own. that is one of my dream cars. This is what I like to drive every day. It's comfortable. It's perfect for my height. Yeah, and eventually I'll start driving this every day. But even then, like, it's okay to have natural, dirty, but not chemical stuff. Like, I keep that car covered. This one, I gotta probably get a cover for this one as well. This one, I gotta wash it and hopefully I can get it off or make it look decent. The Q50, I don't want that to get messed up because it's black paint too. And then what, I have still gotta bring over the truck, the Acura, so I need to work on the cord. And yeah, so we got, I'm gonna be selling that car still though, and to pay for this one, because this one I'm gonna daily and take care of. And I gotta do a paint correction on that one as well, and do a correction on the carbon, and then order the lip, the visors, and the rear wing that goes on here to VIP it, because we're gonna make this VIP car and turn that into VIP car too as well. So, and like I said, I gotta win a trophy for Danny for that. But I'm just gonna end the video here. Just want you guys to see that the shit I gotta deal with. I mean, it don't matter what car I'm driving, that chemical will mess up the paint. And I shouldn't have to buy a beater just to do my job. That's ridiculous. If I work too damn hard to have something nice, and people should be able to appreciate it and not disrespect it. Alright guys, call it a day. I gotta go to work in the morning.